Okay, so I have drawn a picture of a coat. And what we want to do is color it. So I'm going to take my layer 1 here. That's where I drew the coat. And I'm going to put it all the way up here at the top. Eventually. There we go. I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to make it the reference. And let's go here to layer 8. I'm going to choose black just because. And we're going to choose the collar and the trim. And just fill that in. Then we're going to put a layer 9. And I'm going to go over here to Pixabay. So let's bring up this. And I'm doing a glitter texture. You can see me here. I've written that down and it's under illustrations. And I'm just going to scroll through these different glitter textures until I find one that I like. Well, that one's nice. I'm going to tap on download. I'm a member of Pixabay, so I'm going to take the biggest one. And then I'm going to hit view. And then I'm going to tap and hold, and I'm going to save it to photos. And then we can close that. And then, back here in PROcreate, I'm on my newest layer. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to say, Actions, Add, Insert a Photo. And I've actually downloaded so far 4 textures. I'm going to choose this one. And I want that to be a little bit more like glitter. Let's go for that. I'm going to duplicate it. Make sure my snapping has magnetic sense snapping on. And we'll snap that to there and merge it down. I wanted to merge, I didn't want to group. I'll go ahead and delete that. Alright, and we'll duplicate it. And let's go to there. And we'll merge that down. That should be good. And we're going to duplicate it. I'm going to do a flip vertical. I'm going to come up. There we go. Merge that down. Duplicate that. Flip it vertical. I'll put it there. There we go. And we'll merge that down. Now, it covers this whole coat area. So what I'm going to do is on my layer 9, I'm going to tap on it, and I'm going to choose Clipping Mask. That's going to cause it to only show where the layer below is colored in. And there we go. We have a beautiful silver lined coat. And now I'm going to use the same technique to get all the other textures in here. so here we go. It's a nice trendy coat and all that, but you know, it's mostly blue, except I have this silver collar and this brown inside. So let's change those. I'm going to go to my brown inside. I'm going to add a layer. We'll do the clipping mask. We're going to change this to color. So I tap on the N and I bring it down to color. And what that does is it changes the color of the layer underneath. So let's see. Oh, let's grab that blue. I'm in the harmony and we're using triadic. Let's give it a green color, yes. And then when I drag these over, it now has a green inside. Doesn't that look better? And the glitter also should have something better. So let's go and we'll do a clipping mask on that. I'm actually going to give it a bright blue color. So let's see. That's a nice one. Clipping mask, thank you. Bright blue. Right about there. Okay. See, with normal, it just overwrites everything, but if you change the type here, you see how you can actually make it do all kinds of weird stuff? We're going to give that a nice bright blue, silver, or sparkly trim. And there we go. I now have a mock-up for a coat that's just styling from the 70s. Addendum. I forgot to do the buttons, so now I've done those. You can see I have some nice brown buttons there, also looking kind of sparkle. And there we go. I hope that helps you out, and I do hope you have a wonderful day.